Hi guys, it's Emma, and I'm gonna show you guys the slimes that I've made in the past 4 days, I think. So the first one is a blindfolded slime challenge. This is one from the blindfolded slime challenge. I'm probably gonna throw this one away after this video, but I made this slime with my brother. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this slime away after this video. I don't really want to mess with it that much because it's kind of gross. Yeah, that's slime. And then this is my brother's blindfolded slime. His is really overactivated. It's kind of gross. Okay. I had another one like this and it was really good. I don't know where it is now. And then I have this one. At first, this one's like the green one, but this one's whenever it gets out onto the table. But we're gonna do an ASMR video with this one. I'm just gonna do a little ASMR video too. This is absolutely my favorite slime. Favorite slime that I got. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna do ASMR with it. It's a really pretty purple though, like. Ooh, I'm gonna change your drink size right now. Okay, ready? I don't know if you guys can really see that. Yeah, that was not satisfying. Okay, so we're gonna leave this out because I'm gonna play with this. Oh, that was a good one. Hold on, we gotta give it the slime test first. Good. So the first thing you have to do is swirl it. Oh gosh. That's a pretty good swirl if I say so myself. Next is quick test. And last is bubble test. It made a bubble, right? Now we're gonna make some pops with it. That one is really good. So we're just gonna leave that one sitting right there. And then I got one last one, and this one's paper too. I just made this one. I didn't make a video on it, I just made it kind of for fun. And this one is like more jiggly. Still quirky. This one's a little bit lighter than this one. This one's darker, the one that I just showed you. And then this one's lighter. And so we're gonna mix those two together and see which one takes over. So I basically made the same color as the dark one. It looks lighter on camera, but it's not that much lighter. And then I don't really enjoy this one as much because it's more jiggly, it's more jiggly than thick. Let's just give it a slime test anyway though. It's like rippy once you start to stretch it, but it's sticky at the same time. That's actually a pretty good slime tool. Next is quick test. Pretty good. Bubble test. No, it doesn't even stretch out enough to do a bubble test. Now it's really hard. So I definitely would not rate this one a good rate. But I'm not gonna sell this one because it's so bad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below some more video ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy and be gymnast.